Welcome back to my workshop. Now it's nearly the end of April in 2020 and we're all still stuck indoors, not being able to go out and do anything. So while we've been stuck indoors, Missy's little workshop has been in the kitchen and she's emptied out all the cupboards and tidied and cleaned, and there's cans of beans everywhere, and she's thrown out a few things. And what she's thrown away is a couple of salad forks and a cutting board. So I thought, because I'm going a bit stir crazy, why don't I use these to send a message to COVID-19? This is what I did. Right, that's it, it's all done. I just finished it off with a little bit of Danish oil, this stuff. Got to be the strangest little project I've ever done, but these are strange times. So, if you want to see the final product, here it is. So, COVID, there's a big 2 fingers up to you. Alright, so that's made out of a couple of salad forks. I've even put one of my little tokens on there. Look, I don't know if it deserves it, but yeah. So, basically that is that. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but this is to COVID. Right, I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please share it with all your friends and all your social medias. And next time I'll do something a bit more serious. Right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.